There's a lot of different styles for how different mentors here at Goddard work with their students. Our team approach is to work with them, but to give them ownership, because when they have ownership, they tend to do better, they tend to be more creative.
When they decided they needed a star camera, they could have purchased one because other research organizations build star cameras. But Stephen decided to give students a chance to build the star camera.
Well, yeah, working here, it's very self-motivating. So they kind of just give you what to do and the basics of it, and they say, okay, figure it out. So right now I run around and I read a bunch of papers online, talk to all the experts, which is pretty interesting, and I think it's a fair representation of the real world.
There's definitely a lot of pressure to get your work done, but it's not incredibly stressful. They know that you're a student and that they're all there to help. I mean, there's experts here for everything.
Within the BETTII project, the thing that I think is the most valuable for the students and the best opportunity is the chance to work with people who are doing cutting-edge research and cutting-edge work. That is the kind of stuff that gets the students excited about what they think they want to do with their lives.
The cool thing about being here at Goddard is you get to see the wide variety of things that we actually do, from climate science to space exploration and everything in between.
I'm incredibly grateful for this opportunity. It's been a great experience, not only technical knowledge that I've learned, but just seeing how a big mission like this comes together.
It feels great to be part of this team because you really feel like it actually matters, like the work you're doing.
When I was an undergraduate, I was fortunate that I got to work on some interesting projects, and it's part of what gave me a love for science and a love for the kind of work that I get to do now. And I want these students to have that same kind of experience.
When this mission launches and the data starts coming back, that'll definitely be exciting. It's not supposed to launch until 2015, but I'll definitely be looking out for that. It'll be great to actually see my work contributing to telling us things we don't know about the universe.
I would say if you're an engineering or science student and you think you want to work at NASA, you should definitely apply. Even if you don't know a lot about space, you'll definitely learn everything you need to know once you start working here.
I see them out having lunch together every day. I see them talking about the different things that they're working on and sharing ideas. And that's teaching them what it's like to form a team and to be part of a team. And that's something that is extremely valuable as they go forward in their careers.
I think my favorite part of working here is people who work at NASA don't work at NASA because they kind of like what they're doing. They work at NASA because they have a passion for science and technology and broadening our understanding of our world. So it is great to work with people who are so passionate every day about what they're doing.
Being able to sit down and actually discuss with someone what I'm working on and knowing that they're the expert in that field has been priceless.
I think what I remember most about my time working here is definitely the people. It's been great working in a lab with Anthony and Yvonne. It's been great getting to know these senior scientists and engineers who just know so much and love what they do.
A goal for me would be to work at NASA full-time, and I think the internship program is a good stepping stone.